In this lesson, we will be adding wait time to our driver coroutine. So basically, first, when we run our coroutine, it will wait, and then it will play normally. We also add possibility of randomize this wait time. So for example, when we are using auto repeat, it will be waiting each repetition different random time. So let's start. Let's open our driver script. Let's add public float wait variable and also public float wait max variable. Now let's create function which give us random time or fixed time, depends on these two values. So it will be public float calculate random time, and it will have two parameters of float. First will be start wait time and second will be max wait time. Inside, let's write if max wait time is more than start wait time, that basically means we want to use randomness. We will return random.random range start wait time and max wait time. If max wait time is not bigger than start wait time, that means we don't want any randomness. Let's return start wait time. Let's change the colors. And inside our driver routine, let's create a new variable float wait result equals wait. And if wait doesn't equal 0 or wait max doesn't equal 0, wait results equals calculate random wait time between wait and wait max. Now as a safety check, if wait result doesn't equal 0, we can return it as a yield instruction wait for a second with the parameter wait result. Let's save it and test it. Select the driver tester game object and change wait time to 1. We are still using our old settings with the auto repeat on, loop count 2, and loop type ping pong. Let's press play forward. And we see between our ping pong loop, we are waiting always 1 second. Now let's try the random wait time. So let's change wait to 0 and wait max to 2. And press play and play forward. And now we can see at each repetition, we are getting random waiting time. So thank you and see you in the next lesson.